all, welcome back to my channel TechSense. Today I will explain you how we can sign up for Azure services and start using it. So let's get started. To sign up the services, we have to go to portal.azure.com. I will provide all the links which I will be using in this video in the description box. So once I click on the link portal.azure.com, it gives me this kind of form. So it gives me option to sign in with the credentials if I have registered earlier. If not, then I can create new one also. So in my case, I'll create a new one. After that, I'll click on get a new email address. I choose techsense1 at the rate outlook.com. It's already, the domain is already provided by Microsoft Azure. Techsense1 I choose as a username. Then I click on next. Then I need to create the password. I mention the password and click on next. Okay, so it's asking me to enter this thing. Then click on next. And it's done. We went to portal.azure.com. We sign up for the thing. And now we can see that we are into the Azure portal. But I have signed up for the Azure, but I can't do anything as of now. Let's say if I go to resources group, I can't create anything. I can't create a VM. I can't create app services. Why? Because it's asking me to sign up as a Azure free trial. So to start the free trial, I have two options here. The first option is I can click on here, click on start, mention all of the details, attach the card, and then start using it. If I choose this option, in this case, I need to mention the card details. Microsoft will give me 1 month free trial. And after 3 months, if you don't change your subscription, because it's a free thing, and then Microsoft will give you a 200 credits so that you can do whatever you want in the Azure. But if you exceed that limit, then you need to pay for it. And after that, after 3 months, if you don't change your subscription, then they will automatically remove your card. So they will automatically remove your card details after 3 months. The second option is if you don't want to add your card, then you can go to Microsoft Learning portal and activate the sandbox environment. So the second option we will see later. Let's see the first option first, wherein we need to add the card, and we can sign up for 1 year for 12 months. So click on start. As you can see in this form, mention the country, the name, email address, phone number, identity verification, and then you have to attach the card. Microsoft will take your card only to verify your identity, but they are not going to deduct any money. So just add the card details and you can use it for 12 months. There are 12 months of free products. Some of the products will be available for free for 12 months, 200 credits. If you exceed that limit, then you need to pay for it. And yes, it's for your first 30 days. After that, you need to pay for it. 25 plus are always free products. No automatic charges means if you manually change your subscription from trial to pay as you go, then only you will be charged, otherwise not. So that's the first option. Let's see how we can activate our environment without adding the card. Yeah. So go to the Microsoft Learning platform and go to any lab, like create a VM using the Azure portal. It's an exercise basically. I will also provide this link in the description box. So there is an option sign in to activate sandbox. So you click there, then you will get the same option. Just follow the same process we used earlier while signing up for the Azure, and then it's activated. As you can see, it's setting up the things. I mentioned the credentials and it's checking for existing sandbox. There are some limitations via this option, which is not the case with the first option. The limitation is the subscription will be deactivated automatically after 4 hours. The second limitation is you can only activate sandbox 10 times per day. As you can see, I already used 3. This is my 4th activation. So that's one of the limitation, but that's not the case if you're choosing first option. After this, just go to portal.azure.com and sign in with the same credential you used while activating the sandbox. Sometimes after activating the sandbox environment, you won't be able to see the option to create the resource or resource groups or maybe virtual machines. Why? Because see here in the profile, you need to click there and switch the directory. Once you click on the switch directory, you need to select this Microsoft Learn Sandbox. Once you select this subscription, then only you will get these options: resource groups, yeah, add. So without adding your card, you're able to do anything in Azure. But this is for 4 hours only. After that, your subscription will be deactivated. You need to activate it again. And also you can do this 10 times per day. That's it for today. So we understood how to sign up for Azure with both of the options. The first one is go to portal.azure.com, sign up the thing and add your card and enjoy it for 1 year. The second option is using your sandbox environment. Activate it, use it for 4 hours, then it will be deactivated, then you can activate it again. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any video. If you have any query, please put down in comment section. Also, you can reach out us at mytechsense@gmail.com or visit our website techsenseconsulting.com. Thank you so much.